A new stock trader often faces the main question: how do I choose a reliable broker? There are thousands of them and each promises you the world. So, what should you really pay attention to? First, regulation. Make sure the broker has a license from a financial regulator. This guarantees that your funds are protected. Second, the trading platform. A user-friendly, intuitive interface is key to your comfort. Look for a platform with fast order execution and an access to detailed stock charts. Third, commissions and spreads. Low fees will help you maximize your profit, especially for active trading. And finally, the variety of stocks. A wide selection of stocks gives you more opportunities for portfolio diversification. If you're looking for a broker that combines all of these advantages, take a look at IFC Markets. They offer trading in CFDs on stocks and have earned the trust of traders worldwide. Advantage number 1: reliability and regulation. The company is fully regulated by the BVI FSC FSCA South Africa and LFSA Malaysia and has professional indemnity insurance. This provides a crucial layer of security for your trades. Advantage number 2: wide choice of platforms. IFC Markets offers a range of powerful trading platforms. The industry standard MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, along with their unique proprietary platform, NetTradeX. NetTradeX is especially powerful, providing advanced charting and fast execution for stock CFDs. Advantage number 3: extensive stock selection. With IFC Markets, you gain access to over 400 CFDs on stocks from 8 various stock markets, including major global exchanges like NYSE and NASDAQ, giving you broad opportunities for diversification. Advantage number 4. But the main feature is their patented technology for creating personal composite instruments, PCI. You can create a unique stock-based asset like Apple versus Google or Tesla versus Amazon, and trade it like a regular instrument. This gives you unlimited opportunities to bring your trading ideas to life. When choosing a broker for stocks, remember that your goal is not just to trade, but to do so effectively and safely. IFC Markets provides all the necessary tools for this. Click the link in the description to open a demo account and try the unique features of IFC Markets today.